East Tower has
Up
a guy
there?
in there. Yeah, east. This one and the one right across from it.
Alright, about to roast kids.
Nice. Stay alive, don't go for
It
under.
ain't gonna be nice when you're dead, sir. Come out with your hands up.
Watch out, down. You'll be able to get shot from the other tower. I never good.
Yeah, you think he's near my tower.
We're gonna breach.
You said we're gonna breach my tower, apparently.
Alright, stack up on the front door.
We're gonna breach my tower, apparently.
He's down.
What tower?
Tower 1.
There's still another guy in the other tower right across.
Ollie, let me go for this. Is this the one with the bar gate?
No, Nikolai, this tower's clear. This tower's clear, Nikolai. Please don't shoot me.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to the other one.
I'm going down. Was that tower 6?
That was the other side. I'm not sure the number. Yeah, that was the one right across.
Yeah, tower set.
I think it was just him. I'll move it in, check.
Where are all the detained suspects gone? All the watchlist are on it. It's running already.
Hey, officers, I want you to drop your weapons or I kill you all.
Just got initiated.
You're an idiot?
User joined your channel.